Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about API Gateway. We'll cover what an API Gateway is, how it works step by step, and its most important functions. If you're learning microservices, cloud, or system design, this video is for you. Let's begin. So what exactly is an API Gateway? An API Gateway is a single entry point between clients and backend services. Clients can be web applications, mobile apps, or other systems. Instead of calling multiple backend services directly, clients send all requests to the API Gateway. The gateway then receives the request, processes it, and forwards it to the correct service. Think of it like a security gate at a building. Everyone enters through one gate, not through multiple doors. That gate is the API Gateway. Modern applications usually use microservices. This means many small services, each with its own API. Without an API gateway, clients must know every service. Security logic is repeated, monitoring becomes difficult. The API gateway solves this by acting as a central control layer. It simplifies client communication, protects backend services, and improves scalability. This is why API gateways are essential in modern systems. Now let's understand how an API gateway works, step by step. First, the client sends a request to the API gateway endpoint. For example, get user profile data. Second, the API gateway validates the request. It checks authentication, authorization, request format. If the request is invalid, it is rejected immediately. Third, the gateway routes the request to the correct backend service. For example, user service, order service, payment service. Finally, the backend service sends a response. The API gateway processes it and returns it to the client. To the client, everything feels like one simple API call. Now let's look at the main functions of an API gateway. Authentication and authorization. The API gateway handles security. It validates tokens like JWT or OAuth, ensures users have the right permissions. This avoids duplicating security logic in every service. Request routing. The gateway decides which backend service should handle a request. Routing can be based on URL path, HTTP method, headers. This keeps services independent and flexible. Rate limiting and throttling. The API gateway can limit requests per user. This prevents abuse, protects the system, avoids overload. Very useful for public APIs. Load balancing. If multiple instances of a service exist, the API gateway distributes traffic evenly. This improves performance, reliability, availability. Request and response transformation. The gateway can modify request formats, transform responses, remove unnecessary fields. This keeps clients simple and backend services clean. Monitoring and logging. The API gateway tracks requests, errors, response time. This helps teams monitor system health and debug issues faster. Let's take a real-world example. An e-commerce mobile app requests user details, order history, payment information. Instead of calling 3 services, the app calls one API gateway. The gateway authenticates the user, calls multiple services, combines the data, sends one response. Efficient, secure, and scalable. To summarize, an API gateway acts as a single entry point, handles security and traffic, simplifies client communication, and supports scalable architectures. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.